Hi guys! So for today's video, nagising tayo na maaga dahil pupunta tayo ng Manawag. All set and lahat tulog. And we're here guys! Welcome to Manawag. We're here to give thanks and ask for more blessings. And isa nga po pala ito sa favorite church na pinupuntahan namin. And today is extra special dahil kasama natin ang buong family. Tara guys, attend muna tayo ng mass. And syempre, hindi pwedeng walang photo op. We're happy dahil bihira lang po yung mga gantong chances for the family. It's boys' turn naman for the photo op. Hi mommy, say hi to the camera. Say hi.
Hindi nga ako makatawa. Wow! Mga balikbayan.
And there you go. See you later guys. Ma!